Hello friends, welcome back. How are y'all? Friends, let's see what's going on in your person's life and what is their current feelings right now for you and the third party, both of them. See the King of Wands. This person is again the King of Wands, and the first card is King of base of the card is King of Wands, and this card is coming King of Pentacles. So definitely this person is grounding. You can say that this person is grounding also. Plus this person wants to take action also. King of Wands is always an action oriented card. They are waiting for something, I think so, because King of Wands and King of Pentacles both card is coming. This person is definitely mature now, and they are in that position to take action, but definitely they are waiting for something. Three of Wands card is coming again and again, so maybe they are waiting for some situation to unfold. I make basically some situations they are waiting for to unfold. Four of Pentacles card is coming, so I feel someone who was cheating on them, or who was backstabbing them, or who, third party, anyone else who was backstabbing them, so they want to catch them red handed, or they want to punish them, something like that. The Four of Pentacle card is coming, so this person is definitely holding on to something, so they are waiting for, because of that they are holding on something, and they are waiting for some things to unfold. Let them finish the unfinished work, and then they will come to you. That's for sure, because they know now, they have realized that this person is the perfect ultimate partner, the perfect feminine, a perfect male. If it would have been an emperor, the perfect emperor, you can say that they have realized this. That's for sure. And Ten of Pentacles, they know this person is a long term commitment partner, and this person is a partner for lifetime. They are thinking about building a family with you, or having children. All these kind of things are going on in your person's mind, because High Priestess card is coming. The High Priestess is definitely intuitive, so definitely a person's third eye is also opening, you can say that. So they are getting intuitive also, they can feel your feelings also, and this book is kept in front of them, so definitely they must be consulting some tarot readers also, I feel that, or they must be reading some books about all this relationship, or law of attraction, or something like that. They must be reading about twin flames also. That's quite possible, I can't rule out about this. So that's going on in your person's mind, because they are turning very intuitive right now. High Priestess card is for me, generally females are very intuitive, but in this case I feel your person is very intuitive, even if that person is a male. Even if that person is a male, that person is getting intuitive, they are getting downloads, that's for sure, because this person is in the awakening process now. When we are in the awakening process, the person gets many downloads, they get many dreams, and they get many answers from in the dreams, in the dream form. So all this, the person is trying to decode all those things, and because of that they are waiting for something to unfold, I feel so. So let them unfold the things that they are trying to unfold. Let them do that. At present you must be feeling alone, or your person is also feeling alone, that's for sure. Both are meditating, and actually this is a kind of hermit card, you can say that. So your person is moving towards something, or they're thinking, they have this. Just see, this person has a light candle in his hand, so they are definitely awakening, they are being shown the way, they are moving towards something, but they want to finish some unfinished work, then only they are going to come, because this strengthening bonds, the card is coming. In this, the person is moving towards the light, the light which is shown to that person, they are moving towards that light, and that they know that this light is you, they want to move towards you, and this bond is very strong. So let them complete that process, and don't be in anxiety, or in a fear whether they will come or not, why they are taking so long. Don't bother about all such things, because this relationship is definitely born to nurture, and this relationship definitely going to grow in future, because you both are manifesting this relation very strongly. If your person is also manifesting, even you are very manifesting, every day claim your person, that we are in physical harmonious union with my person. Whatever is a person's name, take their name, because it's very important to claim your person. It's very important to choose them every time, because you have to send complete true choice to the universe clearly. You have to be sure that I want this person only in my life, and continuously you have to send this choice to the universe, to your subconscious mind. Then only your manifestation comes into power. So I hope you are getting clarity how you have to manifest your person, and how clear you have to be about your person. If suppose you are having one soulmate in your life also, and you are confused about what to do, whether this person or that person, so you are sending mixed signals to the universe. Actually you have to be very clear about what you want in life, and which person you want to spend your life with. You have to be very clear, and that when you continuously claim every day that person, that same thoughts are been accepted by your subconscious mind. Subconscious mind doesn't know what is reality and what is visualization. Whatever we are doing in subconscious mind, everything is stored in our subconscious mind. So even if we visualize, the subconscious mind thinks that we are doing that thing in our life, so they store those things in our mind permanently, and those signals are then sent to the universe, and the universe responds in that way. I hope you're understanding what I'm trying to say, because subconscious healing and subconscious reprogramming, whatever you say, it's very, very important, because everything is within us. If you're looking for happiness outside, it is not outside, friends, it is within you. So if you want happiness, you have to change yourself, find happiness within yourself, choose yourself, choose happiness every day, choose your partner, choose yourself. When you choose yourself, you're choosing your person only. Your person is you only, one soul, you one consciousness. So you have to choose yourself also first choose yourself, then choose your partner, claim your partner every day. I'm trying my hard, my best to guide you all on these things. Hope you many people are benefiting from this. If you are benefiting, I am really happy for you all. Letting go possibilities, and the sorrow card is coming. I'm telling you again and again, you have to let go the situation. Don't hold on too much, and don't try to control the situation. Suppose your person is not calling you or not trying to contact you, then don't bother to contact them unless and until you get downloads in your dreams or something, or universe the same message is coming again and again in front of you that you should go and contact them. Then only try to go and contact them. Otherwise, let go everything, because as universe, how universe will converse with you, there through messages and through downloads. These are the only way the universe converse with us. So till now I am telling you, let go. Don't bother if a person is not contacting you much. Let go everything. There are possibly two possibilities I am thinking, whether your person is thinking of approaching you directly or through some friends, I feel, because they don't know how to approach you. Two possibilities are definitely, they are between two possibilities, or they are juggling two possibilities how to approach you. So don't bother about how they are going to approach you, and don't feel sorrow, because the person is also in a little bit of sorrow energy. When you're in a sorrow energy, union is not possible. You have to be in high vibration for union to take place. When you are in high vibration, you attract high vibrational energies. So let them come out of that sorrow, that third party that sorrow has given to them, or the family, or any other person who has given that sorrow, or the guilt they are feeling, they have done bad with you. Let them come out of all those feelings and all those things, then they will contact you, I feel. So let them do all those things. One more card, let me see what a person is planning. Professional assistance, stuck energy, and discovery. Just see, I'm telling you, a person is stuck in their relationship right now. They don't know how to move forward. They are completely stuck energy. So they are taking professional assistance. I feel they are consulting some tarot readers, or some astrologers, or some someone who can guide them in this relationship. So they are definitely consulting some people, or they are taking some healing energies or some healing sessions, so that they can come out of this sorrow and they can move towards you, because they have discovered that we are the person you are a diamond for them, the diamond which they did not recognize previously. Now they have realized that. So because of that, it will take time now, because they are in a lot of sorrow. So how I should come out of this, how I rejected this diamond, which was my life, which was my long-term commitment, and all those things are going in their mind continuously. So let them come out of all those things. Let them take the assistance of any person they are consulting, maybe a tarot reader or healers, or some family person who is good in guiding all those things. Let them take that assistance of those people, and let them come out of all these things. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.